This was an interesting one. This is on an extruder and out doing some air leak inspection. And we came across this noise. So some impacting. We can hear that kind of rattling. Definitely not an air leak. So something else was going on. So we started to investigate, started to scan around and move ourselves closer to where the noise was coming from. So zooming into the specific area, we were able to identify that this plate here that is supposed to be bolted down, it was missing the bolt or the nut. So this was actually rattling against it here and generating that repetitive impacting noise. So after we actually fixed this is what it sounded like. No noise, problem is gone. Very quickly found and identified, very easy to fix. So not a showstopper, but eventually, when you have something that is loose, it's going to continue to wear. Eventually it would have caused